Nguya. Nguyain. Good girl. Sabsab is eating papaya. Good girl. Yummy no. Nguya ah. Tamis eh no. Sweet papaya eh no. Yummy. Sarap naman ng baby eat papaya. Early morning papaya. Papaya. No, papaya no. What is it? Papaya. Ang bait talaga ng baby ko.